In this video, we are going to show you how to add an audio player to your site in Elfsight. Now, once you've logged into your Elfsight account, you want to hover your mouse on this top option here where you see widgets, blog, help center, right? So if you hover your mouse on widgets, this will appear. So you want to look at audio, and the very first option is audio player. So click on this. A new tab will appear if you want, or this tab will bring you to this audio player. So this is what it's going to be looking like. So audio player widget for website. So you want to click create widget for free, like so. And here you are going to see several options when it comes to audio player templates, right? So you have this, right? You have this. There you go. So we're going to choose single track here because it does look clean. So scroll down a bit until you see this green bar or button that says continue with this template and click on it. So here you can actually just edit it. So you can add tracks if you want. So if you click add tracks, you can upload tracks from your PC or laptop. You can add track by link. You can use SoundCloud, Google Music, even Twitch and Vimeo and Wistia, right? Or you can click on the three dots here and you can edit this like so, right? You can edit the title, artist, cover, etc., etc. You can edit the layout, the style. This is where you choose color scheme, light, dark, custom, background type, the colors, so on and so forth, even the fonts, right? And then once you're done and you're satisfied, all you need to do is click add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.